Let's learn how to change app icons on an iPhone. If you don't like the default app icons and don't know how to change them, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is go to the App Store and install the Shortcuts app if you don't have it, but every iPhone has it installed from the beginning. While it's installing, go to your web browser and type icons 8 in the search bar. Once you've done that, a page will open where you need to click on the first link. When you click on that, the website will open, and you will see several options. You need to click on the search bar and type in the name of the app for which you want to change the icon. After typing it, a page with a list of different icons for that app will open. Now find the one you want to use and click on it. When you click on it, a page will open where you need to click on the download option. A page will open to choose the format, and you should select PNG. Now choose the highest resolution and click on the download button in the lower left corner. When the downloads appear at the bottom left of Safari, click on it. When you click, a menu will open where you need to click on Downloads. When you click, a menu will open where you need to click on your icon. When you click, the icon will open, and you need to click on the Share option located in the lower left corner. When you click, a page will open where you need to click on the Save Image option. After clicking that, open the Shortcuts app. When Shortcuts opens, click on the plus sign in the top right corner. When you click on that, a page will open where you need to click on the Add Action option. When you click on that, a page will open, and on that page you need to type Open App in the search bar. When you type that, click on the option, and a page will open where you need to click on the word App in blue letters. When you click, a page with a list of your apps will open, and you need to type the name of the app you are changing the icon for. Once you've typed it, click on the app and then click on the info icon in the middle below. When you click, a menu with several options will open where you need to click on Add to Home Screen. When you click, a page will open where you customize your icon. On that page, select the image option. When you select it, more options will appear, and you should click on the Choose Photo option. A page with all your images will open. On that page, select the icon you saved earlier. When you select it, a page will open where you can zoom in or out. Once you've done all that, click on the Choose option in the lower right corner. The next thing you need to do is click on the name below that icon. When you click, enter the name of the app for which you changed the icon and then click on the button. Now on TikTok, you have this new icon you selected earlier. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.